Welcome to the UL International Festival!
Today, the International Education Division hosted its annual International Festival. We have over 3,000 international students on campus coming from over 80 different countries. This is a festival that we put on every year to celebrate the cultural diversity that we have here on campus. We had a meditation workshop, we had workshops for faculty, we had a Taste of Our World International Food Fair, which was an amazing success over in the Students' Union courtyard with hundreds of students experiencing and getting to sample food from all over the world.
So this is the Erasmus Fair, or the Study Abroad Fair, and this is a fair we organise every year for our students or prospective students who want to go on a semester abroad. We have here students who went on an Erasmus experience last year, and we also have incoming students from our partner universities and so on.
We ended the day with a calligraphy workshop and origami workshop, so we have loads of Chinese students teaching staff and students how to write their own name in Chinese, and it's beautiful to see.